Dude, they're all lit. They're all lit as fuck.
What?
What is happening?
He just deagled us all.
Oh
Guys,
my
I'm trying to
God.
read the update.
Oh, I'm sorry, Cole.
Bro, fucking never learned how to read.
Okay.
Alright, let's see how dirty Harry can get.
Caution, forklift trucks.
Oh,
Damn.
you dirty Harry.
Shizbugger, man. Not quite dirty there, huh?
Not dirty enough.
Not dirty enough.
Dirty Harry.
She told me I wasn't dirty enough.
And I said, well, that's not possible. That's just not possible, you know.
That's not possible. I've had people piss on me.
I'm the dirtiest.
Dude, we should all download Fortnite.
Hell no, that's not happening. That was the worst thing you could have said. Holy fuck.
You should just run out, dude.
This is
No
retarded.
There's no point, dude. There's no point. They're already just watching it.
No way!
Why did you miss?
I got one. Got two.
Bro, I got you.
Right, Jacob, it's all you. Yo, what? What in your brain told you do that? Holy shit.
Oh, but that B-hop was clean, though.
I'm getting one tapped by this convict guy.
What?
Whoever threw that smoke.
Your mom's a hoe.
Thanks.
Damn, I hate being sober.
down.
Guy's like, flash me, bro. And his friend's like, I got you, bro. I got you. And he's like, nah, bro. I said flashlight, not flash that fat ass dick.
On top of the lobby.
I'm about to be on top of you.
Heaven and.
Whoa.
Uh-oh. Hey, Drew, don't go in A, bro.
Yo, don't go to A tomorrow. That's epic.